Hi everyone, this is the number 21 of our vehicle rental system. The question of this: retrieve the list of customers who have rented vehicles from the same supplier multiple times, including the customer name, supplier name, and the number of rentals of each supplier. First of all, we use select the customer ID from the customers table alias C. And the first name, select the first name column for the customer table. And the last name in the column of customers table. And the supplier, select from first name to the supplier and the last name of the supplier table. We use as rental counts the number of rows returned for each group, and as rental count gives the calculated count in the alias for better readability, para dali ra siya mabasa kung asa dapit nga na place ang mga customer ID, first name, etc. Then, then we use from or specifies the main table para ma-retrieve ang customers. Then we use inner join to combine the data from the customer table and rental details table. The, the on customer ID and RD customer ID. This is an correct condition linking customers with their corresponding rental details. In the next inner join, the vehicles to join the rental details and vehicle ID. The inner join of suppliers para malink yapon siya sa vehicle and respective supplier. We use group by to close the groups. Kani sila. Kani customer, first name, and last name. Para combination sa supplier and customer. We nagamit og having count asterisk 1 to close the filters result after the grouping. Para ma-select ang group, supplier, customer, and combination. Para sa rental count, the greater one, meaning na makita na sa customer ang gerent niya na more than one vehicle sa specific nga supplier. So, if we run this code, then makita na din ang customer ID, first name, last name, etc. So, that's all for the number 21 in our vehicle rental database.